Hi, today we're going to take a look at how you can entice people through your door using free credits and introduction sessions. So if you're a fitness professional and you own your own business, then this video is for you. Hi there, so today we're going to look at how you can use Go Retrieve to entice people through your door so that they give your services a go over somebody else. Now, the other week we looked at Facebook and how you can boost a post. This week we're going to take a quick look at how you can create a free credit which effectively gives somebody a free introductory session when they sign up. So all we do is we go into the settings and we can set up our own introductory credit. We can set 1, 2, 3, whatever number we want, and we can set the number of days that it has to be used by. What this does is when somebody signs up, they get effectively a free class that they can use within a set period of time. Now, once we've got them through the door, we can obviously talk to them. We know that they're coming because we've got an alert through the system that they're a new customer. And what we can do is, if that's not quite enough, we can also set up a purchase once only introductory sessions, and to do that we go into pricing and we just set up a normal price allocation for our package, and we tick the little box that says intro price, and that means that the member can only purchase that session once, and once it's been purchased they can no longer purchase it again. But the idea is that the first session being free, the second introductory price gives them all they need to get into your gym and use your services. So I hope that helped you out today. In a future video we're going to look at how we can maximize our return on workshops and how you can use workshops to attract people into your business, and how you can create a sense of community and well-being. So look forward to your next video.